In this video, we will learn how to derive the short-run supply curve of a firm given the total cost function of the competitive firm. The question is the short-run cost function of a competitive firm is being given as a C is equal to 0.1x cube minus 2x square plus 15x plus 10, where C denotes the total cost, x is the output. We need to derive the short-run supply function of the firm. Okay. So graphically, what exactly we are being told to find out? Let us say we have quantity on the horizontal axis and average variable cost and marginal cost on the vertical axis. So we know that the average variable cost looks like this. Let us say this is our AVC and our MC. This is marginal cost function. Okay. A supply curve of a firm is equal to the marginal cost curve above the minimum point of AVC in the short run. Okay, so the supply curve of a firm in the short run is the marginal cost curve which is above the minimum point of AVC. Okay, so first thing is, okay, we know that P is equal to MC. If we want to derive the supply curve, we equate price with marginal cost, and price should be greater or equal to minimum of AVC. Okay, this is the condition to find out the short run supply function of a firm. This is our total cost function. First thing is we need to find out the variable cost function. So variable cost will be equal to, so if this is the total cost function, this 10 is fixed cost. That means variable cost will be the first three terms, that is 0.1 x cube minus 2x square plus 15x. This is the variable cost. Okay, we need to find out the average variable cost. Average variable cost will be equal to variable cost upon output. So dividing this equation with x, so we will get 0.1 x square minus 2x plus 15. So this is the average variable cost, but we need to find out the minimum of AVC. So minimum of AVC implies we take the derivative of average variable cost function with respect to output and set it equal to 0. So this is our average variable cost function. Let's take the derivative with respect to x. Derivative of x square is 2x, so 2 into 0.1 is 0.2 x. Derivative of x in the second term is 1, so we are left with only 2, and derivative of a constant is equal to 0, and we equate it with 0. So that means x will be equal to 2 upon, or let's write it here, or let me solve it here. So we have 0.2x is equal to 2. If I transpose it here, so this is 2 upon 10, x is equal to 2, or x will be equal to 2 into 10 upon 2. So 2 gets cancelled, so x is equal to 10. Okay, solving this we will get x is equal to 10. So basically what exactly is meant by this, what we got, when the output level is 10, so let us say when x is equal to 10, average cost is minimum. Okay, so average cost is minimum. Next thing is we need to find out the price corresponding to the output level of 10. So as we know, P is equal to AVC, so minimum of AVC. So we plug x is equal to 10 into average variable cost function. Okay, so our AVC, and let's write it here, minimum will be equal to, so 0.1, in place of x square we have 10 square, 10 square minus 2 into 10 plus 15. Okay, so Let us solve it. So this is 0.1, 10 square is 100, minus 2 into 10 is 20, plus 15. So this is 10 minus 20 plus 15. This is 25 minus 20. So ABC minimum is 5. Okay, so let me rub this out. So we got minimum ABC. Let me write it here. ABC minimum, its value we got 5. Now we are in a position, let's write it here 5. Now we can find out the supply curve of the firm. To find out the supply curve, we equate price with marginal cost. So P is equal to marginal cost. And what is marginal cost? Marginal cost is simply the derivative of cost function with respect to output. So this is our total cost function. Derivative of x cube is 3x square. So 3 into 0.1 is 0.3 x square, minus derivative of x square is 2x, so it becomes 4x, plus derivative of x in the third term is 1, so we are left with 15. Okay, so this is our, and derivative of a constant is, we know it is equal to 10. Sorry, it is equal to the derivative of a constant is 0, so here we will have 0. Now we equate price with marginal cost. So P is equal to marginal cost is 0.3 x square minus 4x plus 15. So we can rewrite it in this fashion, that is 0.3 x square minus 4x plus 15, transposing this p here, minus p, and set it equal to 0. Okay, so we have three terms. This is a quadratic one, so this is the first term. Let us say this is second term, and 15 minus p, let us assume it is third term. We use the quadratic formula. Let us say it is a, b, and c. We know that x will be equal to, the value of x will be equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4 into a into c divided by twice a. This is the quadratic formula we will apply here. So our x is equal to minus b means the coefficient of x, which is minus 4. So minus into minus is, or let me write it here, minus from the formula we have minus 4, then we have plus minus b square means minus 4 square, then we have minus 4 into a is 0.3 and c is 15 minus p, and we divide it by twice a, that is 2 into 0.3. Okay, so solving this, let me try to solve this out. So this becomes minus into minus is plus, so we get 4. So minus into minus is plus, so we get 4 plus minus, here we will get 4 4s are 16, because square of a negative number is positive, minus 4 into 0.3, 4 into 0.3, 4 3s are 12, so this is 1.2, and then we have 15 minus p. I hope I am doing the calculation right here, and divide by 2 into 0.3 is 0.6. Okay, let's do the calculation again. So we have 4 plus minus, we have 16 minus 12 into 15 is, this is 1.2, so I can write 12 upon 10 into 15. So this is 5 2s are 5 3, am I doing it correctly? 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, then 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12, 6 3s are 18. So we will get 1.2 into 15, it is 18, then minus into minus is plus, we will get 1.2p, and in the numerator, sorry, in the denominator we have 0.6, 0.6, okay, 0.6. Solving again, so we will get, and let me write it here, let's write x is equal to 4. We write the plus sign only, okay, we ignore the negative sign because then it will not make any sense. Supply curve should be a positive one. 16 minus 18 is 2, negative 2. So if I write it in this fashion, 1.2p minus 2 divided by 0.6. Okay, you can you know simplify it further if you want to change the fractional form. So let's write it here now. What is the supply curve? And let me write it here. So x, that means supply function will be equal to 4 plus 1.2p minus 2, okay, and divided by 0.6, as long as if price is, we got the minimum of ABC. We know price should be greater or equal to minimum of ABC, so minimum of ABC is 5. So if price is greater or equal to 5, x will be equal to this function, okay, or it will be equal to 0 if price is less than 5. Okay, this is the supply function of the firm in the short run. Okay, so let me repeat it here. In the short run, we know that the supply function of a firm is the portion of the marginal cost curve which is the above the minimum of average variable cost. So here the point is minimum. To find out the minimum point of ABC, we take the derivative of average variable cost and we set it equal to 0. That means taking derivative with respect to output. So when the output level is 10, okay, corresponding to this ABC is 5, which is minimum. Okay, so corresponding to the output level of 10, average variable cost is minimum, which is equal to 5. To find out the supply function, we equate price with marginal cost. When we solve this for output, that means x will be equal to 4 plus under root of 1.2 p minus 2 divided by 0.6. As long as price is greater or equal to 5, supply function is this, and if price is less than 5, output supplied by the firm will be equal to 0, because then we will have price will be less than minimum of ABC. Okay, I hope I make myself clear in this video. Thank you.